everyone, hope you're all doing well. So welcome back to a new video. It's been a little while since I've posted anything here, so happy new year. Today I just thought I'd sketch on Procreate and watching me draw on the iPad, whilst I talk about how you can teach yourself to draw and improve really fast as like a self-taught artist, just not going to school or college or anything, and just teaching yourself at home. The first girl I'm drawing here, I didn't actually use a reference for her, but then I decided to go on Pinterest and I just used a bunch of images to to create the other characters. So after I've drawn them all, let me know which one is your favourite, and I might complete one with colour. But anyway, getting into the topic of this video, the first thing that's really good is to take part in different drawing challenges. This can be things like draw it in your style, or different prompt lists. And I find a lot of these on Instagram. So a lot of different artists, they do hold draw it in the style challenges where you can redraw their character in your style. And it's really good because it just helps you kind of study how another artist draws, and it kind of pushes you out your comfort zone to think like how you could create their drawing but in your style, and to try and make it different in a way and make it unique. So it kind of pushes you to really get creative. I mean, sometimes you can just redraw the character and it looks pretty much the same. I've done that before as well. But as you do get better at drawing, it's really good to push yourself out the box a little bit as well. And doing different prompt lists as well can just help you, pushes you to draw different things and come up with new ideas. So doing challenges is really good. And you can also challenge yourself, do 5-minute drawing challenges, just set a timer on your phone and try and do it in 5 minutes or just 2 minutes. It kind of helps force us to stop focusing on all the details and just get the base shape and focus of the drawing we're trying to portray. And it really just forces our brains to work faster, and then it makes us get better at drawing. I actually might do a video soon with some fun drawing exercises that you can do that will improve your drawings and make art more fun again. Another little challenge is you could draw the same thing but in different mediums, or you could also draw a character in 5 different art styles. I have seen that challenge floating around before as well, and I think that's pretty cool. Oh, and another one I've seen is drawing the same character in 1 hour, and then again in 10 minutes, and then again in 1 minute. So that's probably quite a fun one to do as well. The next thing is to draw from references. So using Pinterest is really great. I use that all the time, and you can just find a whole bunch of references on there. And as you search for things, more things come up that are relevant to you and that you probably like. So yeah, just studying how the face looks, or how different clothes look on characters, different poses, and then soon enough it will just be easier to draw things from memory. But another thing you could do is to take courses every so often in different classes. I do have an older video where I shared my top 5 classes that I've taken before, so I'll link it below if you want to check it out. There's always room to learn new things, and sometimes if you don't learn for a little while, and you might start to feel bored with your art because it's just not improving, or there's nothing new and exciting going on, that might be a time to maybe learn something new, push yourself out your comfort zone, try new mediums, try drawing something different to what you usually draw. You might surprise yourself and find something that you actually really like. And then the last thing I want to share is just that you need to draw a lot. The more that you draw, I feel the more momentum you create, which will just make it feel easier to draw. I personally feel that the more time you take away from drawing, the more that it can fade out and start to take a back seat. So you really need to make it a priority. Brushing your teeth every day is something that you make sure that you do. So if you want to be a better artist, you just got to make a priority for that as well, and make sure that you do it. Even if it's just 5 minutes of sketching each day, whilst you're doing something else, think to yourself, could you be drawing at the same time, multitask or something? But yeah, the more that you do draw though, I feel the more ideas will just flow to you, and you'll feel you just have loads of inspiration and excitement to draw and everything. So Definitely let me know which character is your favourite from my video today. I really hope you've enjoyed watching. Let me know of any ideas for videos that you'd like to see from me next, and I hope you'll have a really lovely day. Bye!